Alright, so here's a review of a monopod from Ulanzi that I've been using now for a couple of months. So it's an aluminium monopod, which is a 61-inch monopod, so you can make it, as you can see, like almost 180 centimeters. It's quite sturdy. It has different levels of adjustment. It's quite compact. It's very portable. It has a foot that you can actually remove if you wanted to replace it by something like a small tripod or something like that. What I would say about this little foot is if you have some Loctite, it's probably a good idea to put some on the thread so that it doesn't come loose. I've dropped it a couple of times on jobs. You can adjust this thread that you have here if you wanted to have this directly onto your camera. You have like a rubber for grip, so when you put your camera on that, you don't really have a problem. I'll show you what that looks like. But basically, you can just use this and just switch it side so that you now have a camera mount or plate mount, and then you can just screw it back on. I lost the handle, but you also have this handle that comes in. Like what I really like to use it with is just to mount it onto a head like this with a quick release. You could put just a quick release on that. I do like the flexibility it offers when you do mount it on something that has multiple angle of rotation or a ball, so that you can really, from like, if you think about when you're using it in the field and you want to, I just set it to my usual side, but basically when you have your camera on here and you just want to lean in to that position, then you can use your camera on a ball to really make the camera flat, as opposed to just have this or try to have it always flat like this. You're always going to have, like, depending on how far you're trying to shoot, you're always trying to just get something else. So I really like to use it as a combination of an additional head, just to more flexibility. But very happy with it. It's been great so far. I'm probably looking to get some other products from Ulanzi because I really like the quality of a device that they provide. And then, yeah, that's it.